I have provided the practice model download link in the video description. Hi friends, in this video we are going to create another part number 4, cup. So this is also circular part. By using the revolve option we can create it in the simpler profile itself. So in previous videos we have created the remaining parts and finally we are going to do the assembly. In this video I will tell you without creating the reference line what is the issue we are going to face. So in previous tutorials we have used the reference line for the maximum value, but in this one without that, just for your identification I have created. I have provided the practice model download link in the video description. Diameter is 45, so 45 divided by 2. So I have created the outer profile as a rough sketch. Next they have given the inner engage. This is 65 outermost edge. 65 divided by 2. Next the dimension is thickness of the bottom profile, that is 12 mm. So I have added 12 mm. If you see the difference without having the reference line for the maximum height, so for each and every value the profile is getting changed. So it will create the confusion for the designer. So this value they have mentioned 6 mm. What we are getting is 6.184. So the top profile need to modify. So the parallelism we need to add for this line. Just I am adding the parallelism for this line. Next this center profile we are going to draw. I have provided the practice model download link in the video description. So the value is 22 dia, so 11 we need to draw. Removing the unwanted profile. The constraints are changed, so once again I am going to give the constraint to the sketch. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. If you have any doubt, add it in the comment bar. So I have added the value for this profile. Still it is 6.184. So if I change to 6, it is not coming properly. So if I add this value as a 6, so that my profile will be proper. So this sketch is fully constrained now. So all the dimensions are added in the sketch. Now I am going to do the revolve by the help of Z axis. So whenever you are going to create a part, just check whether if it is a circular part, you can create by using the revolve option. Means all the features you can create it easily. I have provided the practice model download link in the video description. So next, this center profile I am going to create. For that one, just I am going to create one more sketch. So if I create in a separate body, it will be easy for me to remove the material. So just I am creating the sketch. Later on I will move the sketch into the separate body, and there I will do the circular pattern, and I will remove that material in the profile. I have provided the practice model download link in the video description. So it is coming on the center of the edge. I have provided the practice model download link in the video description. So I have created the pad. Next I am going to move this into the new body. So I have added into the new body. So now I am going to do the circular pattern. So we have 4 shapes. So 4, 360 divided by 4, 90 degree. So on all 4 sides it is coming. Just it is having intersection, so just I am removing the some of the pad material. Now I am going to remove this material from the profile. Already created the profile. So just I am adding some fillet to the edges. If you like this video, please share and like. Thanks for watching this video. In upcoming videos we will see how to do the assembly and assembly drafting. I have provided the practice model download link in the video description. I have provided the practice model download link in the video description.